ImpulseNotion presents sneezing and playing, 5 unusual dog communication methods. Puppies learn body language through their litter and through dogs they play with. Here are 5 ways dogs talk to each other. And to us. Because we are part of their pack. Sneezing while playing. A small sneeze is a way for a dog to say that he is just playing. It is just a little burst of air from his nose. This cute sneeze is to let us, and other dogs know, that we are just playing. And rough housing shouldn't turn into a fight. Sniffing the ground. Whether he sniffs the ground when he is near another dog, or when you're calling him, he is trying to tell us to keep calm. And letting us know, hey, I'm friendly. Yawning. Another way for a dog to tell you or another dog to calm down. It is also his way of calming himself down. Turning his head away. No, he's not being snobby. He is letting someone know that he means no harm. Pawing. A dog or puppy is trying to teach you how to be friendly. The paw is a greeting inviting you to play. Stay tuned for the upcoming video. Why dog communication is so important.
If you are new to this channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and the bell icon to be notified of future videos. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and be sure to share with your friends. Thanks for watching. You are awesome.